Hey guys, today let's talk about a business opportunity that you could do it. This is very simple and you just need a lot of time. Not really a lot, like you could still do it at part time, evening or in the weekends. And anybody in the world can do it basically. So right now, I'm not sure about some of the apps that are in US like OfferUp, LetGo, Craigslist. There are a few others, but these are the famous ones, right? Our Facebook Marketplace. So let's say those four, are those available or not outside the US? It should be, because they are all digital and everybody using these social channels anyway. So it doesn't it doesn't hurt for those like OfferUp or LetGo to have it outside US. They're not charging it or anything like that. They're just being a channel, so people can post their stuff for selling or buying or giving away, and then people can offer if they wanted to negotiate, they can put an offer to it, those kind of things. So the today's business is basically getting a free stuff or cheap stuff from your local place and then selling them for profit. So mainly the free stuff is the one that I'm going after. Think about it, like if you see some free stuff that people are giving away because they're just moving and they try to sell it, and some people don't care, like they have tons of money and they are moving and they have a lot of stuff and they just wanted to get rid of it right away. So the only way that you can do just get rid of it is just offer it free, right? There are a lot of people who wants it, genuinely want it for their need, but a lot of people actually doing this as a business. It's going to be saturated eventually. A lot of competition will be there because so many people hunting for those free stuff. There will be so many people along with you, like if you do it, but that's going to be after maybe 4, 5, 10 years I'm talking about. Right now, it's a good opportunity for you to just sign up with these things. There is another one called freecycle.org. It's I believe it's also worldwide, but if you are in US, get an account with freecycle.org. OfferUp is an app. LetGo is an app, and then Craigslist, you can install an app or go to a website. And Facebook Marketplace is an app, through the app, or you can go to a website. Facebook. So if you go to Facebook, I think the second icon all the way in the bottom in your phone is the marketplace. So you click on it, there will be a sell, and then sell your items. Then you can just post it, take a picture, click on it, take a picture of the item, put a title on it and the price on it. That's it, like you're done, like 3 or 4 steps, right? If you have a lot of items, you probably can put everything in there, or you can do one by one. It's up to you guys. That's just selling your stuff to make money. But right now, we are talking about getting the free stuff. That's a first step in this business model. So go to the marketplace, look for the free items. There are people giving away around your home, right? It could be just drive a couple minutes and you can pick up a nice watch, and it's actually it looks good and people can buy, somebody can buy it for $30. So that kind of good. So think about it, just go pick it up, just message that person that you're interested, and then just go pick it up and keep doing that with all this free stuff, right? So what you're trying to do here is just getting those free stuff. You're actually helping those people that getting rid of it, and also like you're trying to make use of that, right? Just trying to make money out of it. It's not really, like, if you believe this is not really ethical, in your sense, then you don't need to do this. But there are people who really want some money to live, right? They don't have any money, so I'm talking about those people. Like, this is kind of like a easy way to do it. If you cannot do this, then you probably cannot able to do other things. So I would say you can do this rather than working really hard in a job that pays $5, $7, $8 per hour, standing whole day doing some laborious job, right? This you can make more money in here doing part-time, like a few hours a day. Go pick up and then just list it up for sale, and then once somebody buys that, you just go and drop it off in a common place. That is a whole business model. You can do it from freecycle.org, and then you pick it up. OfferUp also has a free stuff. LetGo has a free stuff. Craigslist has a free stuff, and also the Facebook Marketplace has a free stuff. Once you get it, just list them up. Like, don't list them up right away, and list them up in a bulk, or maybe just clean them up nicely, just perfect them. That's another way people do it. Like, they buy a old used car, or sometimes it's a free car. People just wanted to get rid of it because they're paying taxes, they're paying insurance and everything, right? They have to keep up with all the costs. It's only $500 car. It's a very basic car, but there are few issues in the car and stuff like that. They may just get rid of it instead of trying to salvage it, right? And in that case, you can just pick the car up and just how to fix it, make it perfect, and sell it for $1,000, right? So you have $500. You probably spend $100 items from spare parts here and there, but you fixed it, right? You can even sell it for more. So that is the idea here. Like, you get the item, maybe even it's not in working condition, right? But you make it, you fix it, you know how to do those things, and then you sell it higher, or you clean it up, polish it, nice looking, and then you can even open a store somewhere outside the cities, in a small place, pay maybe few $100 rent, and that way you have all this stuff there. You can just sell it like a thrift store kind of thing, right? People will come and pick it up, and you can put like several $100 sometime, based on the price, actual price, that selling market price for the item, right? That's how you make money. Or you can do it online if you don't have any place to do it. You can make this as a whole business, your full-time business, going around picking up stuff and then perfecting that and selling it in a better way, not just giving it away, but selling it in a better way for your time that you spent, and made it looking good and usable. That's why that cost is for, and also it's a business for you, right? So you can keep rinse and repeat the same thing again and again, and you should be able to make enough money to buy a cheaper stuff, cheaper stuff that people are wanted to get rid of it, but they are selling it maybe $5, $10 instead of $20, $30, right? You can buy them up and then just do the same thing, perfect them up. That's a whole day. Your business is that, right? You can even hire people later on, but just think about it. You can do this anywhere in the world. People are always being materialistic. They always buy stuff. They will have a lot of phones, they will have a lot of electronics, a lot of household goods and kitchen stuff and everything, and they always buy a new one. They wanted to get rid of the older one. It's an ongoing process for everybody in the world. So you can take advantage of that. Just take it to the next level and write down the business model that I talked about today, and what will work for you, and then just take it from there. I hope this is helpful, and I will see you guys in the next business video. Thank you for watching.